it's me Panya. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel or TikTok or Facebook if you are watching on the two platform. So today I got about or cutting something like a bird. It's a beautiful art for me. Thinking. I hope you thinking like me now, like me. Um, and don't forget to click subscribe on the button down below to see me do more about the beautiful art. And let me know in the comment down below if you want me to do more something about the beautiful art that you thought you like it. Bye guys, see you guys again in the next video. Love you guys much.